Andrew here guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows 11. So if you want to know how to update your Windows 11 PC, just simply right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and go to settings. From here guys, on the left hand side you want to simply go down to where it says Windows Update, click on that, and here you want to go ahead and check for updates. This is going to check for any updates available for Windows 11 or available for whatever updates Microsoft release. It will check for those updates and you can go ahead and you can install those updates. As you can see here, mine is currently up to date, so there's no additional updates available, but if there were, this will go ahead and check for updates and update my Windows 11 PC for me. So it will either ask you to restart your computer, or you can simply right click here in the taskbar, go down to shutdown and sign out, and simply hit the restart button to restart your computer after any Windows update. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.